Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to paint a landscape with wet on dry technique. I will show you my way to paint it so you can get an idea and create it with your own way. Watercolor is a tricky medium. So in today's video I want to share some tips and tricks with you. Number 1. Watercolor works best with watercolor paper because watercolor paper is often made with cotton. So this gives the surface appropriate texture and minimize distortion when wet. It holds water really well and it will also give you time to properly work on your painting. So always use watercolor paper. Next is when you paint with watercolor, always remember that watercolor get lighter after they dry because watercolor is a thin medium. You need to build up color gradually. Build your value up layer by layer to arrive at the effect you want. I personally prefer darker shades. Color bleeding is also very common in watercolor technique. Always remember that watercolor will always goes on the area is wet. Take one color, lay it down, allow it to dry and then revisit with another shade. This way you will get a nice finish. Next is about brushes. I like to use flat brushes for background because you can create a nice and even surface with flat brush, which can hardly achieve with round brush. And with flat brush, you can mix color nicely. For detailing, I prefer thin round brush. There are many ways to paint in watercolor, and as you try them, you'll find the one that works best for you. If you like today's video, please thumbs up. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.